Hello and welcome. I'm Trip. Welcome back to another video, even though it's kind of a sad video because I'm saying goodbye to the Lotus. This of course is my Locost 7, my Lotus 7 replica. I've had it for a little over 10 years now. So I've had it for a long time. I've done a lot with it. I've pretty much rebuilt the whole car almost. Seems like. I've learned a lot on this car, and I've had a good time with it. I've driven it a lot, done a lot of fun things with it. But to be honest, I don't drive it very often, so she sits most of the time, not getting driven. As cool of a car this is, and how much enjoyment I get out of it, every time I drive it, it puts a smile on my face. I don't lie about that. But as you see, it doesn't have a roof or anything, no amenities, which means I usually don't drive it that much, just to be honest. On a nice day, it has to be a nice day for me to drive it. It's either too hot, too cold, it's raining, it's snowing, something. Kind of limits the days that I can drive this. But I do take it out every once in a while. I'll drive it to work or tour cars and coffee or something like that. But since it's been over 10 years, I think I'm gonna let somebody else enjoy it for once. Maybe I can move on to other bigger, better things. I don't know what those things are yet, but I'm sure I'll figure out soon enough. If you don't know, this has a Miata drivetrain in it, 1.6 Miata engine with a 6-speed trans, Mega Squad ECU. And she's super light. It means she's just peppy and fun to drive. It's hard to find a car that drives like that. There's no assist, no driver's aid, nothing. Just you in the car, you in the road, and it's a completely different feeling. Something you don't get through almost not any other cars. So it's special, which has been hard for me to sell it. I have done quite a few videos on this car, so if you want to check one of those out. The content generally doesn't do as well, which is another reason to get rid of it and move on. But before I get rid of it, I figure I'd take it for one last drive and give her a bath, because she is pretty nasty, pretty dirty. She pretty much sat in the carport all winter. You know, outside, well, kind of outside, because I only have one garage door, one garage space, with limits of how many projects I do at a time, which is another reason to kind of move on from it. I don't want it sitting outside anymore. So let's take it for a drive. Let's go. It's decent out today.
tomorrow.